Lemko Language Lessons, Lesson 6 Supplemental, Demonstrative Pronouns, Adjectives, and Possessive Pronouns in the Genitive Case. Here is some extra information that is related to Lesson 6 Genitive Case. Demonstrative Pronouns in the Genitive Case. Tot, meaning this for masculine nouns, becomes toho. Toho. Tota, meaning this for feminine nouns, becomes toi. Toi. Toto, meaning this for neuter nouns, becomes toho. Toho. Tota, meaning these, becomes tuch. Tuch. Tamtot, meaning that for masculine nouns, becomes tamtoho. Tamtoho. Tamta, meaning that for feminine nouns, becomes tamtoi. Tamtoi. Tamto, meaning that for neuter nouns, becomes tamtoho. Tamtoho. Tamta, meaning those, becomes tamtuch. Tamtuch. To, meaning this, that, or it, becomes toho. Toho. Adjectives in the genitive case. Now we will go over adjective endings in the genitive case of 4 adjectives we've learned in a previous lesson. Hardej, dobrej, syni, and tichej. Let's begin. Hardoho. Hardoho. Hardoj. Hardoj. Hardoho. Hardoho. Hardych. Hardych. Dobroho. Dobroho. Dobroj. Dobroj. Dobroho. Dobroho. Dobrych. Dobrych. Synioho. Synioho. Synioj. Synioj. Synioho. Synioho. Synich. Synich. Tychoho. Tychoho. Tychoj. Tychoj. Tychoho. Tychoho. Tychoch. Tychoch. Possessive pronouns in the genitive case. Let's learn how to say the different possessive pronouns in the genitive case. First, we will start with the masculine. My is moyoho. Moyoho. Or alternatively, moho. Moho. Your singular is tvoyoho. Tvoyoho. Or alternatively, tvoho. Tvoho. His is yoho. Yoho. Her is yay. Yay. Its is yoho. Yoho. Our is nashoho. Nashoho. Your plural or your formal is vashoho. Vashoho. There is ich. Ich. Next, let's go on to feminine. My is moyoi. Moyoi. Your singular is tvojoj. Tvojoj. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yay, yay. Its is yoho, yoho. Our is nashoi, nashoi. Your plural or your formal is vashoi, vashoi. There is ich, ich. Next, let's go on to neuter. My is moyoho, moyoho. Or alternatively, moho, moho. Your singular is tvoyoho, tvoyoho. Or alternatively, tvoho, tvoho. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yay, yay. Its is yoho, yoho. Our is nashoho, nashoho. Your plural or your formal is vashoho, vashoho. There is ich, ich. Lastly, let's move on to plural. My is moich, moich. Your singular is tvoich, tvoich. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yay, yay. Its is yoho, yoho. Our is nashach, nashach. Your plural or your formal is vashach, vashach. There is ich, ich. Notice that for his, her, its, and their, the possessive pronoun does not change in the genitive case. This concludes Lesson 6 Supplemental.